Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Netflix. To know how to fix or how to solve your issues on Netflix app, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that, in this list, you'll enter to the window of Netflix. When you'll find this page, we click on first up and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. And after that, of all these steps, then you can turn off your phone. You will wait a moment to turn on your phone again to fix that problem you have. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.